Hello, my dear friend. Let's talk about today very important topic, which is how to use YouTube to market your business and grow fast 2019. Since you are here, you are looking for something about YouTube and how to grow it and how to use it for your business. You are already online marketer and you are going to create content about videos. You are going to advertise, market your business. So let us talk about this topic, which is very important if you are a business owner online or you are a video marketer. YouTube is a great platform you can use to market your products, your brand, and so important for anyone who going to do that. So let's talk about directly this topic. YouTube, why it's so important, why it is very crucial for any online marketer, why it's so important for online business, why a lot of people use it. Because there is a numbers that show that there are a lot of statistics that shows why it is that giant place of business marketplace. It is used by 1.3 billion people use YouTube. That number shows how giant, how it is huge place of marketing business, because 1.3 billion people use it, search it, and use as their place to take a decision, to buy something, to sell something. So it's very crucial because it has that amount of users. So absolutely it's great place after Google. The people use to search the product, to search the content they want, to take a decision. So it's absolutely a great place to also to start from, to use you for your business. So let's go to the next point. 300 hours of video are uploaded every minute. Every minute there is more than 300 hours of videos. Hundreds of videos are uploaded every 60 seconds. So it is a great place of content, videos, and if you see that amount of videos are uploaded every 60 seconds, that means a huge people are out there and using those videos. The third point is 5 billion videos are watched every day. 5 billion. Those billions people are watching every day to take a decision, to get a benefit of those from those videos, searching about something, product is, and to take a decision. Those people, those numbers shows how it's crucial, how it's potential also for your business. So if you are going to take your business to the next level, promote your links, so also provide the videos and get the advantage of those numbers. 8% of the people aged 18 to 49 watch YouTube. It is the ideal age of the people. It's from 18 to 49. 8% of them choosing YouTube, watch videos, to take decisions, to market their business, to get new products. So they follow up videos, the journalists, they are subscribing journalists, they are liking videos, they are commenting. So that number of people is potential customers. So also you need to use them to market your business on YouTube. So 6 billion hours video views monthly. 6 billion hours videos views every single month. It is a huge number. You can't even find similar statistics in other platforms. So great area to put your business and to promote it. So absolutely, I hope you will enjoy that. So let's go to the last point of this section, which is 70% of marketers say video is responsible for most of their conversions. The video the people are watching are the most influential to use to promote your business, and the online marketers say that 70 of their conversions come from video the people watch. So that means videos are very influential, and videos is where the people take the decision. Me personally, when I wanted to use something, when I wanted to take a decision to promote something, I use videos, because I feel it is something comfortable for me, so as the other people they use it. The last point I want to talk about here is, if YouTube is like that, if it is so great like that, how I can benefit from it? The only thing you need to do is create videos properly, use videos and upload videos. So what you need to publish a video is, first of all, keywords. Make keyword research. Most of the people, when they come to the YouTube, they research, they make research, and they come to your video. They go to Google and research about something. Then Google shows them the articles and the videos from YouTube that shows the relevant to that keyword they search. So you need to use keyword everywhere and other tools to determine which keywords you are going to use, which keywords are mostly the people are looking for every month. Keywords are getting hundreds of thousands of searches every month, and keywords no one are going to search them. So if you shoot a video with no relevant keywords, then you will not get that great views every single month. So you need to be focusing on the keyword researching, and also put those keywords in your title, in description, and also in the text that will push your video and shows and flags YouTube and Google that this person is publishing a lot of videos on those keywords. The second point is thumbnails. If you are going to be watched by videos by people, you need to show them attractive images. When the people are going to take action to watch a video, the first thing they see is the thumbnail. If the thumbnail is very beautiful, very attractive, the people are clicking on and they see what is going inside the video. So the first thing you see on every video is the thumbnail. So make sure your thumbnail great and attractive to the audience. So it's so important, and the people, the most online marketers are using thumbnails to show their videos. The third point is deliver value first. If you are going to market your business online, first of all, the people, they appreciate those people who are providing them something value, and they will be related, and they will hang out with them, they subscribe them, they like their videos and comment. So if you are going to get a lot of specific or special customers from YouTube, you need to provide value. Simple that is. If you can provide value, then you can get a lot of traffic, a lot of customers from YouTube. So that is crucial number one you need to focus on. Also, the fourth point is upload consistent. If you are going to get or to grab the attention of YouTube on Google, you need to upload consistent, because you are providing the value consistent, regular. Then YouTube will appreciate that and will reward you to give you a lot of traffic to your videos. So it's also important. The last point is include effective calls to action. Since you are here, you are providing value, you need to make some sales, you need to make some money. So you need to also include call to action and everywhere. In the video, you call the people to take action, you call them to subscribe your video, you call them to comment, to like, or also you put the links you are promoting in the description. So as you, and also you call the people, go to the description, click those links to take an action. So also it's important. So I think you can use YouTube place to market. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.